Hi guys and welcome back. Today we are making assorted pepper soup. I paired this with Agidi and trust me guys, it was extremely delicious. So sit back, let's make it together. So guys, these are my natural ingredients. I just wanted to keep it simple. In here I have some ehuru and uziza seed. Toasting them before blending helps to awaken the flavor and the taste. So I did that for like 2 minutes and then I blended off camera. After that was done, I proceeded to steaming my assorted meat. So I added everything inside my pot and then I went in with some water. I'm going to be cooking this for about 4 minutes, more like steaming it because I'm going to do away with the water. And then I proceeded to chop in my scent leaf. I don't know, scent leaf has a way of taking pepper soup to 100 immediately you add it. So after that, I checked on the meat, and as you can see, those stuffs, I had to, sieve out the water, and I love to clean while I am cooking. So I cleaned up this mess, and then I proceeded to making the pepper soup. So at this point, I went in with my seasoning cube and I added some black pepper also. Black pepper is very healthy, guys, so I'm always generous when I am making my soups and stew. I went in with some salt also, and then I gave it a gentle stir and I covered, allowed to cook for 5 minutes without adding water. So this was after 5 minutes. I checked on it and then I gave it a gentle stir, and at this point I went in with my mixture. So what I have here is the ihuru and uziza seed I toasted earlier, some crayfish, some onions, and some ginger. So at this point I added the water I'll be using. This is pepper soup, of course, so we need the water. I gave it a gentle stir and then adjusted with some salt at this point, and then I covered and allowed to cook for another 10 minutes. This was exactly after 10 minutes. I gave it a thorough mix for everything to combine, and at this point I went in with my chopped scent leaf. And then I finished it up with some chopped scotch bonnet pepper. I gave it a gentle stir and I just allowed it to simmer for about 3 minutes for the scent leaf to release its aroma. And guys, your pepper soup is ready. So tell me, what will you be pairing this with? Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.